Mastering conditionals in everyday conversations. Making plans and arrangements. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore an essential part of English language, conditionals, specifically in the context of making plans and arrangements in everyday conversations. This is a practical and relevant topic that can significantly improve your English speaking and comprehension skills, so let's dive right in. Before we move on to the examples, let's do a quick recap of conditionals. In English, conditionals are used to talk about real or imaginary situations and their results. They're usually constructed using if, followed by the condition, then the result. First conditional is used for real and possible situations in the future. Second conditional is for unreal or improbable situations. Third conditional is for impossible situations because they're in the past. When we make plans or arrangements, we often discuss different possibilities and outcomes. That's when the first conditional comes into play. Example: if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we can go hiking. The condition here is, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, and the result is, we can go hiking. The second conditional is great for discussing plans that are less likely to happen, maybe because they depend on ideal conditions or circumstances. Example: if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. Here, winning the lottery is quite unlikely, and traveling the world is the resulting plan. We use the third conditional when we're reflecting on past plans or arrangements that didn't happen, and we want to imagine a different outcome. Example: if I had woken up earlier, I would have caught the train. Here, if I had woken up earlier, is the condition in the past that didn't happen, and I would have caught the train is the unrealized result. To become proficient at using conditionals in making plans and arrangements, you need to practice. You can start by creating your own sentences, keeping in mind the situations in which each type of conditional is used. And that's it for today's lesson on using conditionals in everyday conversations for making plans and arrangements. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. So, keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!